Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lauderdale County in northwestern Alabama, east central Colbert County in northwestern Alabama, until 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:26 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over St. Florian, or near Florence, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect winds, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Florence, Shoals, Killen, Lexington, St. Florian, Underwood-Petersville, Greenville, Center Star, Kingtown, and Whitehead. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Colbert and Lauderdale.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.